Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your Infinix Note 60. So first, we want to go over into the control center, and we want to make sure, let me quickly lower the brightness so you guys can see it more clearly. What we're going to do is, here we have this little icon, and this is our portrait lock. We want to turn it off, so now it says portrait lock off. We're going to go over into a app, and now what are we going to do is we're going to tilt the phone to test the gyroscope. So let's try it on the first app right here. The phone app works just fine. The messages also work fine. Chrome also works fine, as you guys can see. And every single app that is supporting it, for example, Facebook also supports this, and every single app that is supporting it works just fine. But if your app is not supporting it, what you guys want to do is simply restart the phone to reset the sensors. So this can fix the gyroscope. We're going to press and hold the power button only until we see the power menu pop up. We're going to tap on restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, we're simply going to unlock the phone, and what are we going to do next is simply update our software to fix any sensor issues. So let's go to settings. Here in the settings, we want to go to Infinix Note 60, tap check for updates, and it is checking for updates automatically. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important because you want to make sure that you're on the latest version and that you don't have any old glitches. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.